Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Grafana 12.0 Enterprise Edition on Fedora Linux 42. First open any web browser, that is Firefox, which comes as the default web browser on Fedora Linux 42. Then go to Grafana official website, that is grafana.com. Click on Docs, then click on Grafana, then click on Setup, then click on Install Grafana, then click on RHL or Fedora. See here we have the two options: install Grafana from RPM repository or install Grafana by using RPM package manually. Okay, I am going to install by using RPM repository. See, these are the available versions: Grafana Enterprise, Grafana Enterprise Beta, Grafana OSS and Grafana OSS Beta. So we have to run this command. So copy these commands one by one and execute. Copy it. Go to open terminal, paste it, hit enter, import the GPG key, copy it, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. Now we have to create this repo file and we have to add this content. So copy this file name with the path sudo VI, you can use whatever the text editor that you are familiar. Paste that file path with the file name, then press I to insert mode, then copy this content. Click on this copy button or select this entire text and copy and paste here. It is done. Colon WQ exclamation, hit enter. Now see here we have the two options: install Grafana OSS or Grafana Enterprise. If you want to install Grafana OSS, we have to run this command. If you want to install Grafana Enterprise, we have to run this command. Okay, sudo dnf install Grafana-enterprise. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. See, it is going to download and install Grafana Enterprise version 12.0.2. Okay, and download size is 174 megabytes. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed Ctrl A. Now we have to run this daemon command: systemctl daemon -reload. Hit enter. Now verify the status of the Grafana service. Sudo systemctl status Grafana-server. Hit enter. See, Grafana service is not started and it is disabled. So start it and enable it. Sudo systemctl start Grafana-server. Grafana-server. See, Grafana service is started. Now enable it. Sudo systemctl enable Grafana-server. Now verify again. See, Grafana service is enabled and it is started. Q to quit, Ctrl A. Now sign into Grafana. So click on this sign into Grafana. Then go to localhost and give the port number 3000, or you can give the host name of this one and give the port number 3000. So give go to native localhost, port number 3000, hit enter. Now we have to provide username and password. Okay, the default username and password is admin for both. Okay, so provide admin, password also same admin, then click on login. Not now, and also see here update your password. So continue to use default password exposes you to security risks. So update or set the password. Remember this password, later we need this password to log in. Click on submit. Not now. See, we have successfully signed into Grafana. Click on this question mark. Then see here we have installed Grafana version 12.0.2. Okay, Now if you want to change the password of the current user, that is admin, click on this username and click on change password, or go to administration, then click on users and access, then click on users. See here we have the admin, click on it. If you want to change the password, see here, click on edit, then you have to provide new password and click on save. This is the way. Okay, if you want to create users, go to users, then click on create new user to create the user. Then you have to provide all these details, then you have to click on create user. Next, see here, bookmarks, start, dashboards, explore and new feature, drill down. In drill down we have the options like metrics, logs, traces, profiles, alerting. Okay, now we will see how to connect to PostgreSQL and MySQL as the data sources. Click on connections, then see here we have these options, then click on data sources, then add data source, then search for PostgreSQL. I have installed PostgreSQL on Fedora 42. If you want to install PostgreSQL on Fedora, then search for my YouTube channel how to install, then click on this, then this is the name of the Grafana PostgreSQL data source, then localhost, port number 5432. Why localhost? Because PostgreSQL is installed on this one. Then I have the database name bank, then username Postgres, provide the password of this account, then come down and click on save and test. See, database error, see, check the error, SSL not enabled on this server. Okay, so disable this SSL, then click on save and test. See, database connection okay. So we have successfully connected. Now go to data sources. See here we have the database connection for the PostgreSQL. Now if you want to connect MySQL, click on add new data source, clear this one, then search for MySQL, click on MySQL, then this is the name I am giving, Grafana-ds, then MySQL is installed on this one, so give localhost 3306 is the port number for the MySQL server. Username root, provide the password of root account, then click on save and test. See, database connection is okay. Now if you go to data sources, see here we have the two data sources, one for PostgreSQL and another for MySQL. If you want to create dashboards, we have to click on build a dashboard. You can check the documentation for how to create dashboards. Okay, the last option we will see how to connect by using hostname or loopback IP. See, hostname is Fedora, use Fedora, then port number 3000, hit enter. See, we got the same login page. Okay, now we have to give the username and the password that we have set for this user. See, we have successfully logged in. The other way is give the loopback IP 127.0.0.1, port number 3000, hit enter. See, we have successfully received the login page. Okay, the last option that I am going to show is sudo systemctl stop Grafana-server. Put the password of sudo user, hit enter, verify the status. See, Grafana is service is stopped. Okay, now reload this page, not this one, go to here, reload it. See, unable to connect. So to connect to Grafana service must be up and running. So start it again, sudo systemctl start Grafana-server. It is started, verify status. See, Grafana service is started 2 seconds ago. We took it. Now reload this page. See, we are able to connect. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Grafana server enterprise edition 12.0.2 on Fedora Linux 42. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.